How's it going, everyone? Modern Milt here, and today's video is snapping your blades 101. I'm going to show you how to snap off from the 9mm blade all the way up to the 25mm blade. It's very simple to do, and as well as I'm going to show you these two disposable and reusable cans that you can snap your blades off into. We're going to start off with a 9mm, the XA-1. Now on the back of this knife, you have a little pocket clip. This pocket clip just simply comes off with a quick pinch. Now on the end of the knife, you're going to notice a little slot. That slot is to go over your dulled tip on your blade, and then you use that to snap off the end. Once your blade's snapped off, you simply just put the pocket clip back on the end and listen for the clip. All right, next up, I'm going to show you how to snap off your blades using the DC4 and the DC3 blade disposal case and can. The DC3 model, once your can is full, you can just toss it in the trash and don't have to worry about your knife blades cutting through. So to start, you simply just open the sliding door on the side of the canister. You then put your dull tip into the disposal can slot, up to the break line on the blade. You then bend one way and it'll snap off. The dulled blade will fall into the can and then you can close the lid. I like to use this in all my tool bags, especially when I'm working in a finished or occupied house. The DC4 is a reusable or a disposable can. And to snap these blades off, all you need to do is push at the top where it shows push. That'll open up the slot for your dulled tips to go into. You then just snap and bend the dulled tips into the can. Once your container is full, you use a Phillips screwdriver to undo the screw, open it, and then dispose of the blades properly. Next way is involving some pliers. This is a nice and easy way to do it and a safe way to do it as well. So using a pair of pliers, you just grab onto the dulled tip, snap it at the snap line, and then dispose of the tip properly. You can do the same process with a 25mm knife, but with a little more pressure since the blade is a little thicker. Well, everyone, that's it for this video. If you want to see more like this, click here or here. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe at the bottom. I'll see you on the next one.